Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. So this morning, I already did fence, little hole maintenance on the other farm where we're going to right now. Yeah, that's good and tight, Boom. Oh yeah, suckers ain't going anywhere. So nice thing about this trailer is it's a tilt bed trailer. And when it tilts up, that means it's center of gravity on the thing. Sorry, two wheels. And I move forward a little bit. So if it looks a little aft, it's still centered on the trailer. Plus, I got the weight of that and that. That's 1,000 pounds. So we got enough tongue weight for everything. So I'm just going to take it over, park the trailer right on the side of the road, do my rolling, which I'll have videos of, and then I will go back home with it. Just a real quick roll job. And we'll see what we can get for you today. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, got the mulcher here. Use that to get it off the trailer. Now, I'm gonna roll all this stuff too right here. And just gonna go over the whole farm. I don't know how much rolling video you guys can take. I guess we'll see. So all this other stuff, I'm just gonna try to roll. Stupid pigs. God. Big pig problem. Big pig problem. So yeah, I'm gonna roll all this stuff here. Let's go over it first and show you. And you guys can see the after. So you see how it's just a little bit like that. It's gonna be smooth. All prepped and ready to rock. Yeah, this cement pad has got to be at least 50 years old. I think we might have to tear it up because it's crumbling. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, so you guys saw this pad in the last video. So yeah, I'm just going to roll everything. Make it super smooth. So yeah, let's see where we can set you up and go for it. All right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now I'm going to do this part. So real easy. Yeah, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at what we got here. I think it's a lot smoother. Really do. At least it's gonna be mowable now. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better. A lot better. Yeah, especially up there. Once the grass grows in, which will be in no time at all, this is gonna be so nice. Actually, here's a rock that I want to get rid of. That broke into a couple. Yep. Just some things just don't compress. That was a big knuckle right there. But yeah, so I think that looks good. I'm just gonna go do other stuff around here and yeah, go from there. You know, flatten this out a little bit more, because that's where tires spun and did all that stuff. So yeah, let's get to it again.
right, ladies and gentlemen, I got my supervisor over there. He's about to leave. Oh, there we go. There he goes. All right. So I'm going to do this road going down, but I wanted to show you over here the kind of rocks that this thing can put down. So this was smoothed out generally good, but as you guys can see, the roller just makes all the stones roll right into place. So that's why I love this roller. This is not the kind of ground that it's designed for, but it really, really works well. So we're just going to keep going at that, and then we're almost done here. Just got to do a couple more places down there, and then I'll just flatten that out, and we'll call it good. So yeah, I'll check back with you in a little bit.
right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. We're tied up. Yeah, all right. Let's get the second one here. All right. Neighbor. Cool neighbor, very cool neighbor. All right, this guy. Get all safe. Make sure everything is 100% legit. All right, well, I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Just a little rolling action. All right. Aloha.